21.3, we'll be solving quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula solves polynomials of this form: ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Quadratics. And it solves them by taking x equal the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2a. And we're going to replace the b's, the a's, and that c with parentheses. And we'll fill them in. With the numbers that we find for a, b, and c. So here's a quadratic here. The a is in front of x squared, which is 16. The b should be in front of x. There's no x. That means your b is 0. And c is the final constant, which is negative 25. So we're going to take those numbers and put them into the quadratic formula. We're going to take x equals, in fact, we really don't need the x because it just takes up more room. I want to steal some room here. All right, so we need the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4, and that'll be the a, and that'll be the c, all over 2, and that'll be the a. All right, so let's fill these in. According to our chart here, we need b here and here, and b is 0, so 0 goes here and here. Next we need a, and a is 16, so 16 goes there. Here, c goes here and here, so c is negative 25, so put in negative 25 here and here. And let's see. So from right here, we're going to expand the exponentials. So what we'll get is x equals, let's see, the opposite of 0 plus or minus the square root of 0 times 0 minus 4 times 16 times negative 25, and that'll be all over 2 times negative 25. All right, so the multiplications will be this. Negative 0, opposite of 0, still 0. So that's 0. And here we'll get 0 times 0, which is 0. And negative 4 times negative 25 is positive 100. Positive 100 times 16 is 1600. So positive 1600 here. And 2 times negative 25 will be negative 50. So now we have x is going to equal, we can remove the 0, plus or minus the square root of 1600 over negative 50. Well, the square root of 1600 is going to be 40. So we now have 40 over 50. And we can split this up in two pieces. X equals positive 40 over 50. And x equals negative 40 over 50. If I divide both these by 10, I will get positive 4 over 5, and here I'll get negative 4 over 5.